Hi friends, this is Akshay. Welcomes you all on Career Edge. We are on the platform of EDX, and as you know, I am going to show you a free certificate course which is offered by EDX, and you got a verified certificate from EDX for free. There is no amount you need to pay. On the EDX platform, you got courses of many big universities, top ranked universities in the world, just like MIT, Harvard, Australian National University, Berkeley University, the University of Adelaide, and many more. Here you also find many type of courses related to different fields of education just like computer science, language, data science, business and management, engineering, humanities and many more. You can browse any courses with the specific subjects, topics, and also EDX is jointly developed by MIT and Harvard University. Both are top ranked university in the world and you get many courses. You can see there are many programs, many courses from Harvard, MIT, many universities, and also very attractive courses. Some courses are same as just like you got on the platform of Coursera, just like programming for everybody from Michigan University. But the quality of programs and courses provided by EDX is much more better than Coursera. And also many verification process are done here. That's why the certificate from EDX is much more valuable and also it is most recognizable certificate. Now I am going to show you the program which is free, the course how to learn online. These are the programs, these are not free. There is a course here, you can see it is from EDX, not from any universities. You can see this course how to learn online from EDX. When you tap on it, just see here how to learn online, it is from EDX. You can enroll and start learning from today, that is August 23, and also more than 1,11,600 people are registered for this course. The learning is totally free on the EDX platform. You can access any course for free and learn about them. But if you want a verified certificate from EDX, then you need to spend some money, some amount. Minimum is $49. As you see on the screen, 2 weeks course, effort 2 to 3 hours per week, and for a verified certificate you need to spend $49 in Indian currency 3670. The course language is English, video transcript is also in English. This is a self-paced course, means you can complete in your pace. And what you will learn in this course and what is the syllabus you can see on your screen. But doesn't afraid by seeing the verified certificate amount. I am going to show you a coupon code. By using of that, you got a verified certificate of EDX for free. You not need to spend your amount of 3670. You got this course totally free with a verified certificate, and now I am going to show you how got this course for free. You can see there are two options here. First of pursue the course with verified track and second is audit this course. If you choose the second one, there is no certificate and only you can access all the course materials, but after completing the course you doesn't get any certificate. So I am going to with the first one and showing you the coupon code which I used to get this course for free. So here you can see on the screen, that is this is my account, and here I am going to add the coupon code so that I got this course for free. You can see there is payment option also, there is PayPal option and also some Visa cards and debit card options. And here you can see on your screen I am applying the coupon code, that is Y5ZEDM5NU2AN5ZU. I am going to show you this coupon code once again in this video. You can take the screenshot of this coupon code at that time. Here you can see the total amount which is need to spend here is 0, means there is no transactions happen, and here is the coupon code. You can take a screenshot for this coupon code and you will use this coupon code and apply it when at the time when you are going to take this course. And here you can see thank you for your order, but there is a verification process also on the EDX. Not only purchasing of the course validates you to access all the course material with verified certificate. Here you can see the coupon code once again. You can see the discount amount, that is whole amount is discounted, and also 100% discount we get. You can see 100% off discount, and here is the coupon code. You can take the screenshot, and after that we need not to spend any amount on this course. Now I am going to verify my ID. Verification process is needed after purchasing any EDX course. So the platform is very worthy, and also the certificate you got from here is very worthy. So doesn't miss this, take it and also share with your friend. Thank you.